Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's all-in-one POS reports application. So it helps you to instantly print the detailed POS reports all right from the Odoo. So you can get the sales, payment, product, category and the session audit summaries directly from the POS screen or backend. So for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going to this point of sale module, and under this other reports you will find the options to print the report. So first I'm just going with the sales summary report. So here you can add the start date and also you will enter the end date. After that, you can see the report type is as PDF. If you want only summary, you can just click on this checklist. So it will show only the summary regarding the same. Now I'm just going to print the same. So here you see our report is generated. After that, we have another report for the ongoing session report. So for that, I'm just going to open the register and fund session. And after that, I'm just going to select the ongoing session report, and I'm just going to select the POS session and going to print the same. And see our ongoing session report is generated successfully. After that, we have another option for the posted session report. For that, you can select the previous POS sessions. Now I'm just going to. So here you can see our posted session report is generated successfully. So after that, we have another option for the top selling customer product report. So for that, you just have to select the start date and the end date. If you want to enter the number of top products, so you can also enter it over here. And if you want to customize it as a product, customer and categories, so you also select this radio button. I'm just going to print as a product. So here you can see our top products report is generated. So here you can see the top customers report is generated successfully. After that, we have one option for the POS profit and loss report. So for that, we have to add the start date. So here you can see the POS profit loss report is generated successfully. After that, we have other reports for the POS payment report. So for the same, you have to just select the start date and the end date. And here we have two options if you want it in the Excel format. So you can print it as Excel. So here you can see our report is generated in the Excel. Right? So you can also print the PDF. So here you can see our POS payment details is printed in the PDF format. After that, I'm just going to the configuration, and under the settings you will find the POS reports configuration. So you just have to click on this all checklist and going to save it. After that, I'm moving with the dashboard, and I'm just going to continue selling. And here you can see one option for the reports. So here you will also find many reports. First one is audit report. So here we have two options. If you want to check for the session, you can select the session and you can just print the report. After that, if you want to track location wise, you just have to select the location. After that, we have option for the category summary. So if you want it for the current session, you just have to select this. Otherwise, you just have to select the date. And I'm just going to print the same. So here the category report is generated. So after that, we have another option for the product summary. So here I'm just going to select the date and date, and I'm just going to print the same. So here you can see our product summary report is generated successfully. And here we also have one report for the order summary. So for that, I'm just going to enter the start date and the end date. After that, I'm just going to select the state as paid and going to print it so you can see our order summary report is generated successfully. After that, under the reports, we also have one option for the payment summary report. So if you want to select the same, so you just have to enter the date and you have to select the end date. And if you want to add the summary for the salesperson or journal wise, so you can also do the same. So here you can see our report is generated for the journal summary and the total summary. You can manage the POS reports from the POS reports application by the BrowseInfo. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, please put them on the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thank you.